Welcome to the Best Picks. The best drone camera is probably one of the most versatile and exciting gadgets available today, seamlessly blending cutting-edge technology with creative potential, allowing users to capture breathtaking aerial footage and explore new perspectives like never before. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a passionate hobbyist, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and insights to make informed decisions and unlock the full potential of your drone camera. Number 5. Holystone HS720 GPS Drone. It captures stunning 4K UHD images and videos. The image stabilization ensures smooth, shake-free footage, even when flying in windy conditions. Never worry about losing it. It has GPS-assisted features like automatic return home and follow me mode, making your flight experience easier and safer. Enjoy an impressive 52 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. The long-lasting brushless motors contribute to longer flight times and quieter operation. It's designed for simplicity. One key start-stop, emergency stop, and altitude hold make it perfect for beginners. Multiple sensors ensure stable hovering. It's foldable and portable, perfect for taking on adventures. The controller has a long range, an LED screen showing battery life and GPS signal, and even a left-handed mode. Always use the provided batteries to avoid damage or safety issues. Remember to remove the protective film from the camera and controller before your first flight. What we like. It boasts an impressive 52-minute flight time, thanks to its dual intelligent batteries. The 4K UHD camera captures stunningly crisp footage, and its GPS capabilities ensure safe and reliable flights. If you need extended flight time and high-quality video, this is the drone for you. What people say. Packaging and ease of assembly, excellent packaging in the included case, and literally no assembly. It's basically ready to fly out of the box. Low wind, medium wind 8 to 10 miles per hour gusts, and it holds position pretty rock steady. I have had this drone up to the factory ceiling of 116 380 feet every flight with zero issues except for the FPV. In the Ophelia app you can employ the orbit point of interest function, fly a preset path, or follow me. All work well for a drone at this price point. One button RTH puts the drone either right on my drone pad or with a foot or two of the edge. Number 4. Holystone HS110G Drone. Get ready to experience the thrill of flight with our latest drone. It's packed with features to make flying fun and easy for everyone. Never worry about losing it. It automatically returns home if it loses signal or power, or with the touch of a button. Create custom flight paths or let it follow you automatically. The possibilities are endless. Enjoy up to 26 minutes of flight time with 2 included batteries and a control range of up to 984 feet. Capture stunning 1080p HD videos and photos. Share your adventures instantly via the app. With its user-friendly controls and intuitive app, it's perfect for first-time drone pilots. Stable flight is ensured by the altitude control system. What we like. This drone offers smooth 1080p FPV video transmission for a great real-time viewing experience. It's incredibly user-friendly, perfect for beginners. The reliable GPS auto-return feature provides peace of mind. If you are a beginner looking for ease of use and a reliable return-to-home function, this drone is an excellent choice. What people say. Comes with great little carrying case. 2 batteries, I didn't find the second battery until day 2, comes with spare blades. Descent flight time per battery app is cool and easy to use, easy to fly and stable in both modes. Durable, so far, good quality in the camera, way better than I expected, handled some wind better than expected. Pretty simple to set up right out of the box. The directions were easy to follow and I was flying in no time. Auto takeoff and landing make it nearly foolproof. Video quality is great for 720. The VR experience makes flying the drone even easier. Number 3. Holystone HS720E Drone. It meets all FAA requirements. Contact Holystone support for remote ID module assistance. This drone captures crystal clear 4K video, thanks to its advanced Sony sensor and EIS technology. Enjoy blur-free footage every time. It features GPS, an automatic return-to-home function, and air pressure altitude control for stable and safe flights. With 2 batteries, you get up to 46 minutes of flight time. Enjoy longer adventures and less recharging. It offers user-friendly flight modes like Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest, making it easy to capture amazing shots. The brushless motors provide powerful yet quiet operation. Enjoy a peaceful flight experience. What we like. It features a 4K camera with impressive EIS technology for incredibly smooth video, even when flying in challenging conditions. With a 46-minute flight time and FAA compliance, it's perfect for longer adventures. If you prioritize smooth video and FAA compliance, this drone is a great option. What people say. Easy to fly and has been reliable. Goes plenty high and has the features you want, but the range is probably my only issue with it. Good pictures and connects well, and the app isn't glitchy or annoying. Seems well built, and I have never changed the blades, never crashed either. The Holystone HS720 foldable GPS drone with 4K UHD camera was so easy to set up when I opened the box, and even easier to fly. The image quality, stability, zoom and 90-degree downward angle was the best. I found this product easy to learn, and it has the camera resolution ideal for my purpose. In learning to use this drone, I had a couple of accidents, but the drone survived without damage, indicating that it is well made. As far as the pictures and videos are concerned, they are good enough for my application. Number 2. Holystone HS360S drone. It weighs less than 250 g, so you can fly it without needing FAA registration. Capture stunning footage on the go, hassle-free. This drone boasts a 4K camera with a wide-angle lens. You'll get amazing 4K videos and photos from a whole new perspective. Connect your smartphone to the controller with a single cable for real-time image streaming. Share your incredible footage instantly. Enjoy an impressive 10,000-foot control range and up to 20 minutes of flight time on a single charge. Explore more than ever before. Precise GPS positioning ensures stable flight and a safe return home. It will automatically return if the battery is low or connection is lost. It features a beginner mode and optical flow positioning for easy control, making it perfect for novices. Mastering flight is simple and fun. With intelligent modes like Spiral Up, Catapult, and Follow Me, capturing amazing footage is effortless. Just tap once and let it do the work. The Holystone HS Fly app will keep getting better, enhancing your flight experience and image quality. We're always here to help if you need assistance. What we like. This drone stands out with its exceptional 10,000-foot control range, allowing you to explore vast areas. The 4K UHD camera captures breathtaking footage, and its lightweight design means no FAA registration is required. If you value long-range control and high-quality video without registration hassles, this is the drone for you. What people say. The fact that there is a beginner's mode so you don't get overwhelmed of how high or how far it's going was a big help in learning to use the controls. It has a good response time. GPS did good. This is a budget drone with a 4K camera and is easy to handle. I took this drone on a camping trip and got some great photos and was able to track my family with the camera as they went on beach walks. This drone takes excellent photos and I'm very pleased with the quality. The controller though appears to be solidly built. I really like the idea of accessing my phone directly coupled to the controller. Reduces the possibility of any interference between the drone and my cell. The display itself is very bright and provides plenty of telemetry about the drone's performance. Number 1. Holystone HS710 drone. It boasts a top-of-the-line 4K camera that captures stunning details. The wide-angle lens and adjustable structure give you a broader perspective, while 5G FPV ensures smooth, long-range image transmission. It offers a range of smart flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Tap Fly. These features allow for automated flight, freeing your hands for creative control and family fun. It's incredibly user-friendly. Altitude hold, smart return to home, and one-key takeoff landing make it perfect for beginners. It simplifies the flying experience. It features GPS and GLONASS positioning, along with optical flow positioning. This combination ensures incredibly stable flight, both indoors and outdoors. It's equipped with powerful brushless motors for stability even in windy conditions. The modular batteries provide up to 25 minutes of flight time, and its foldable design makes it portable and convenient. It's a reliable choice for professionals. The high-definition 4K camera, intelligent GPS functions, and optical flow positioning will elevate your aerial photography. It's lightweight enough to avoid FAA registration requirements, making travel easier and more convenient. What we like. This drone is incredibly easy to fly, making it perfect for beginners. Its 4K camera captures stunning footage, and its lightweight design makes it easy to transport. If you are a beginner looking for a user-friendly drone with excellent image quality, this is a great choice. What people say. The camera on the HS710 is easy to operate. It takes really nice pictures and video. The resolution is very clear. The battery provides enough power to last the flying time for which I have flown this drone. The carrying case is a great addition for taking your drone with you. The drone and accessories are very secure in the padded case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.